Thank you, John, and good morning, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here to announce our 4 Industry Choice Award winners in the 2021 ISSA Innovation Awards program, which recognizes the most innovative products and services in our industry every year. This year marked the program's 12th edition and featured 24 entries from leading suppliers in our industry. The Industry Choice Award winners were selected by cleaning industry professionals like you online at ISSAShow.com over the past several months. And for the first time ever in the program's history, the online votes were tallied by the voters' company type: manufacturer representative, distributor, facility service provider, and residential cleaning, to determine these 4 winners. So on behalf of ISSA and Informa Markets, I'd like to extend a special thank you to those companies that entered this year's program and to all of you who voted. Now let's meet our winners. The Distributor Choice Award winner is Model R Recessed Free Vend Menstrual Product Dispenser by AntFlow. The Facility Service Provider Choice Award goes to Moonbeam 3 by Diversey. Congratulations. The Manufacturer Representative Choice Award goes to CLEAN+GENTLE Antibacterial Hand Soap Refills by Dial Professional. And finally, the Residential Cleaning Choice Award winner is the Peroxide Multi-Surface Cleaner and Disinfectant by ECOLAB. And congratulations to all of our winners. So while you're on the show floor this week, please stop by the Innovation Showcase, which is booth number 2631, to see all these Innovation Award entries firsthand. And don't miss the presentation of the 2021 Innovation of the Year Award winner on Thursday at 1 p.m. there in the Innovation Showcase. So as John Barrett emphasized in his talk just before, 2021 has been a pivotal year for ISSA, and I'm pleased to inform you that the future is bright, and that's thanks in large part to the support and longtime commitment of our members. And so with that in mind, it's my pleasure to announce the recipients of this year's ISSA Star Awards. These ISSA members have consistently exhibited here at the ISSA show while maintaining their membership for at least 40 years. This year's Star Award recipients are MALISH Corporation, with 40 consecutive years exhibiting here with us. MERCURY Floor Machines Incorporated, with 60 consecutive years of exhibiting. Ultimate Solutions Incorporated, with 60 years of exhibiting. And finally, SANDIA Plastics, with 60 years of exhibiting. Congratulations to these dedicated ISSA members on their respective milestones. So thanks everybody for being here. We've got a great week ahead, and I hope you have a great week here at the show.